Hi everyone, I hope this finds you well. It is Sunday, March 11th, and I hope you all remembered to spring forward. It'll be nice going into the evening, but we lost an hour of sleep, and so I don't know how everybody feels about that. I'm a bit under the weather, so I'm going to make this brief. We had gender posts that are coming due tonight, and some of you have already done them, and I know they're getting on there right now. So just keep carrying on that conversation, and then what comes next is something that sort of follows kind of appropriately as sexual orientation. So you're going to do some reading, you're going to watch the film Intersection, and read an article about a small town where many boys are raised as girls, and there's some reasons for that, so you can read that article, and you'll get to discuss some of that, plus maybe a real-world example in terms of sexual orientation and policy and where we are culturally and that sort of stuff. So then moving into the next topic, we're going to be off next week. So this from today, Sunday, until next Sunday is the end of this week. And then we take a break. It's spring break. So I won't message you next Sunday. I'll message you the following Sunday. So take good care. I hope you get a nice break wherever you are, whatever you do. I hope you get to take a break, relax a little, and do something different for a while. And I'll see you on these posts soon. Take good care. Bye-bye.